Okay. Okay, I stole her spot, actually. Mobile. Oh, come on, stop. Stop. We can do that. Stop. Don't you dare. It's just sliding outside. Oh, come on. I just want to buy some water. So yeah, feels good. What the? Why are there two different? Oh, that's for trucks only, and this is for not trucks. How many trucks are there? Ooh. Oh, there is a McDonald's too. Good. And the Nautilus is kind of impatient. I just want to buy some water. Come on, come on, come on. I'll just park it somewhere. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, I stole her spot. Okay, so now I can take the
2,000 years later.
Alright, so I just stopped for a bottle of water, and that's what I did. In fact, I just bought one bottle, a small one, that was more than enough for me. So apparently there is McDonald's as well over here. I don't need McDonald's anymore. The bike looks good, right? Literally, it does look magnificent. And it feels really comfortable, really. And I'm not over exaggerating, it really is comfortable. So this is how it looks like from the front. See the LED lights. Wait, turn it on. This is how it looks like. See, and it looks good. In fact, it really does. How does it look in the back? Let's just check. And it looks good in the back as well. It's got like a very small tail light, but okay, what happened? Hello?
Hello.
Hi, Tony. All right. All right, so was he waiting for parking? I think I think that guy was actually waiting for me to move so that he can park the bike. So, sorry, his car. So let's just go to the. Can I do? Oh, that's good. It was able to do that easily. Not a lot of bikes can do that. And that's a desert sand, guys. It's like beach sand, but more refined. So now I'm going to show you the bike. This is how it looks like. This is how the bike looks like. It looks beautiful. Really, it does look beautiful. And the lights are like really nice. It looks cute. And yeah, it has DRLs too. And it is tall. I'm 6'2", almost 6'1" actually. So for me, it's really nice. And this is a good addition. Alright, so I'm just gonna wear my gloves and move out of this place. And this is all desert sand, guys. And this bike is really getting the grip on desert sands. I'll try to go like this. This is better. I guess I'll get some more grip. This is called Emirates Road, and this cuts through all the traffic actually. I'm doing like 90 kilometers per hour, and it's okay. Stable. I don't want to push too much. It's technically a new bike. 7,500 kilometers done.